Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Right, well, talking about what sport most you like in your life, and how many often you play every single week or every single day, and then how many of time or kind of sport you like. You know, when I was in 1996 time, I went to Redfield at the time, just got my friend then taught me about swim, you know what swim? I can't swim at the time because, you know, I'm still very totally, you know, boys, very small, so I got sank. Somebody helped me, you know, nobody helped me at the time because, you know, I couldn't swim. Maybe 5 times or 10 times got sick, almost died at the time in 1996 at the time. Where were you in 1996? You know what? After that, in 1998 at the time, I went home back to my village, Banda Aceh. The same reason, the same time, you know, happened to me. I got sick. You know what? Nobody helped me, and then my friend pushed me on the river, and then you must can swim. You know what? Not swim. You must can swim. If you can't swim, you know what? You are not my friend. And then my friend told me how to swim. And you know, I am as a swimming teacher. I can coach every single my friend how to swim, and I can swim very fast. 2014 time, we have SSC, Saturday in swimming club. Every Saturday time, every Sunday time, every 10:00 a.m. in morning until 12 at noon. I invite all my friends. Can swimming? Yeah, please come join us. I will talk you about how we swim. But talking about football, you know, I was playing football with my friend at the time when I was in 1999 and in 2004 and then 2007 at the time. But you know, I don't really like for football because, you know, first I couldn't play with the sound. When I playing football, I always kick my friend leg every single day. Come on, don't be like that. If you kick me in my leg, please get out of here. Because how do I play football very nicely? No, I couldn't. And you know, I don't like football. Even somebody pay me, give me money, you know what? And gave me $10,000 on 1 million rupiah, you know what? Somebody gave me the money, I won't watch football, man. I don't like it. Except World Cup. The final of World Cup, I will watch. Sometimes I won't. But last year, I won't. I don't like watch that. Man, I got a lot of, you know what? Part time. Like, you know, soccer, couldn't play that, or badminton, love that short. But the most I like sport in my life, swimming. But you know, almost 4 years, I never, you know, back to the ocean, or the seas, or beach, or a swimming pool, because, you know, my muscle, you know, very tight, and then how we can swim very fast, maybe, you know, hard. How we replay again and again, muscle and thing, my, you know, my style, how we can swim, right? Spin it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Any question? Please.
Okay.